Tacklife Circular Saw Review. Looking for Tacklife Circular Saw Review? Maybe you just wanna have that final review before getting your Tacklife Circular Saw, so let's get started and we will keep it straight to the point. The mini circular saw is an increasingly popular DIY tool, thanks to its many advantages like ergonomic, portable and efficient. And the price is often more reasonable than for heavier and bulky devices. If you are looking for a decent mini circular saw, take a look at the Tacklife Circular Saw, which is one of the cheapest mini circular saws and the most interesting one on the market. It combines both quality and price in the same time. Despite its small price, it develops a high power of 710 watt and delivers more than satisfactory performance. It also has a great feature which is the laser guide, so you can create the most precise cuts and enhance your visibility. It also offers an enhanced safety, thanks to a system that prevents the saw from starting if the two safety buttons are not pressed at the same time. Product feature includes metal handle and laser design. Comes with a unique metal handle, which helps to reduce fatigue for one hand working, offering stronger clamping force to make the cutting more stable. Powerful motor and 6 blades. Features a 5.8 amps copper motor to deliver full-size performance at 3,500 revolutions per minute, making cut wood, plastics, plasterboard, PVC pipe and tiles with ease. 6 blades. You will love the blades that come with this saw. They give you all the power you need to nearly cut anything: aluminum sheets, plywood, all the 2x wood. Flexible 90 degrees and 45 degrees bevel cutting. The cutting angle and the depth can be adjusted. It is possible for you to create beveled cuts from 90 degrees to 45 degrees. For a 90 degrees cut, the maximum cutting depth is 1 to 11/16 of an inch, that is, 47.5 millimeters. What makes the saw special is the ability to use it with one hand. Safe and ergonomic design. The double protection switch prevents the machine from accidentally opening, promises a safer cutting job. Few of the concerns you might have before buying Tacklife Circular Saw can be. Is there a carrying case that comes with this? No, it doesn't come with a case. Is it come with vacuum adapter? Yes, it comes with an adjustable vacuum adapter. Can this be used on metal like sheet metal or exhaust metal? Yes, it comes with blades for metal, plastics, and wood. Is this saw corded or battery? It is corded. It says it is a corded electric for power source. But it also says it requires 2 LR44 batteries. What's the deal? The batteries are for the laser. Let's see what this satisfied customer has to say. I was going back and forth between the mini saws, especially the Rockwell, and went with the Tacklife, only because it has a more powerful motor, had the laser guide, and it was a little cheaper. Made sense to me. I wish it came with a bag or case, but besides that, it was an impulsive purchase, and a wise decision. I can't wait to use it more often. Plunge cutting wood boards for removal was a breeze. This tool will make you want to create jobs around the house. It really is awesome. Hope this video was useful in making your buying decision. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below in the description and get your own Tacklife Circular Saw. Happy shopping!